Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to CEL News. I am your host, Chloe. Today I will talk about the state of matter and their relationship with space with the help of two space experts.
Thank you, Chloe. I'll hit it off. The four states of matter are solids, liquids, gases, and plasma. Solids are matter with fixed shape and volume. The particles in a solid are tightly packed. They vibrate but generally don't move. One example in space is the terrestrial planets, which include Earth, Mercury, Venus, and Mars, with compact rocky surface, and they are mostly made of solids.
Thank you, Lucy. Now onto the liquids, matter with fixed volume and are nearly incompressible. The particles in liquids vibrate and slide past each other. One example of liquid is the Jovian planet in the solar system, aka Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They are comprised of fluid rather than solid matters. Jupiter and Saturn are composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, while Uranus and Neptune are composed of ice, rock, hydrogen, and helium.
Another main state of matter is gases, matter with no fixed volume or shape. The particles in gases are separated, vibrate, and move freely at high speeds.
Lastly, plasma, specifically a gas that's so hot that the particles split up into electrons and ions. The universe is made up of space plasma. One example is the sun. It is a 4.5 billion-year-old yellow dwarf star made up of hydrogen and helium.
3, 2, 1.
Black holes are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, no particles or even electromagnetic radiation, such as light, can escape from it. The theory of general relativity predicts that a sufficient compact mass can deform space-time to form a black hole. State of matter refers to interactions between particles, of which there are none in a black hole.
Gamma-ray bursts are short-lived bursts of gamma-ray light, the most energetic form of light. One burst can last anywhere from a few milliseconds to several minutes. Gamma-ray bursts are the strongest and brightest explosions in the universe, and they're generated during the formation of black holes. The bursts produce as much energy as the sun will emit during its entire 10 billion year existence.
An asteroid is a minor planet of the inner solar system. They are solid, rocky, and irregular bodies that are remnants of the protoplanetary disk of dust and gas that is formed around our sun over 4.5 billion years ago. Most of them are located in the main asteroid belt, a region between orbits of Mars and Jupiter.
3, 2, 1.
Hello, today we have a famous person who is here to share her career. Please turn the camera to the scene, Evelyn and Lucy.
Hi, thank you, Chloe. Evelyn, can you please introduce yourself to the audience?
Yes, of course. Hello, my name is Evelyn, and I'm currently pursuing Aerospace Engineering.
Oh, that's an interesting career. Now, for those of us who have never heard of this career before, what do aerospace engineers do?
Well, aerospace engineers direct and coordinate the design, manufacture, and testing of aircraft and safe operations. We work primarily for the federal government in analysis, research, and development. As of 2020, most aerospace engineers are employed in California. So if you're interested, you should probably consider moving to California.
Then, for the interested viewers, how can we qualify for this job?
Aerospace engineers must have a bachelor's degree in a field of engineering or science related to aerospace systems.
Okay, one last question. How well does this job pay?
The salaries of NASA aerospace engineers in the U.S. range from $34,000 to $700,000.
Thank you, Evelyn. Let's give it back to Chloe.
Thank you for your time. This is the end of CL News for tonight. This news is on every 8th day of the week. Please stay tuned.